South Korea confirmed one more case of the novel coronavirus Friday, raising the total number to 24. The patient was among those airlifted from Wuhan, the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak. Eum Ji-young has our top story.
South Korea confirmed one new coronavirus case on Friday, which brings the total to 24. The 24th case, a 28-year-old male, tested positive on Thursday afternoon and was moved to the National Medical Center in Seoul that evening. The patient was checked several times after coming back to South Korea, and all tests came up negative until he began to show mild symptoms on Tuesday. This is the second case among the evacuees who flew in from Wuhan. The evacuees have been under a 14-day isolation since arriving back from Wuhan last Friday. They are staying in public facilities in Asan City and Jincheon County. Both locations are around a 2-hour drive from Seoul. Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said on Friday that these 24 confirmed cases have come into contact with 1,386 people. The task force put in charge of tackling the novel coronavirus said at a press briefing on Friday that although severity of the disease is lower when compared to SARS and MERS, the generation time is shorter.
Generation time is how long it takes for one person to transmit the disease to another. If the generation time is short, the disease tends to spread more quickly. We believe the novel coronavirus is spreading faster than SARS and MERS because of the shorter generation time.
This latest case comes after the Central Accident Prevention Division confirmed 4 more cases on Thursday. The 23rd confirmed case was a Chinese woman who arrived in South Korea on January 23rd as a tourist. The KCDC said this woman visited Lotte department store in Myeongdong, Central Seoul, and a supermarket in the Mapo district. Lotte department store closed temporarily from 2 p.m. on Friday for 3 days. As the new cases were confirmed, home shopping channel GS Shop, where one of the new patients has been working, decided to go off air until Saturday morning. As many people are concerned that they might have the novel coronavirus, tests are now available at more healthcare facilities nationwide starting Friday and are free of charge. Officials announced the move due to a rise in the number of confirmed patients who have been to countries other than China. To be eligible to take the test, the person must have a high fever, one of the main symptoms of the coronavirus. People showing symptoms can visit 124 public health centers, and a recently developed test kit that only takes 6 hours to determine whether a patient is infected will also be available at 50 medical institutions across South Korea. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Education has decided to regard the coronavirus as a natural disaster. According to the education officials, Minister of Education Yoon-hye sent letters to 17 education superintendents across the country, saying that the number of days in the school year could be shortened to prevent further spread of the coronavirus outbreak. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.